Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI, and today we are going to talk about how you can make $1,650 in the first month as a affiliate marketers. So first of all, you might be saw this type of previous video on affiliate marketing, and you can see that video on the top right corner I buttons, which is way more precisely explained how you can earn $1,000 in the first month. So the same thing is raised a little bit. Right now you can make over like $1,650 commissions in the first month, which is way more higher than before. Other things are remain same. If you watched the previous video, then fine, you know already. If you didn't, this video is for you, okay? But this video will be shorter than before because this combining of these two videos, you will be the affiliate marketing expert. So if you are beginners, if you have no skills, no worries, nothing to worry. You will know it's pretty much easy to sell if you do the affiliate marketing for us, because we was affiliate marketers once upon a time. We know pretty much well how hardworking and pump boiling stuff we need to do to make a commissions, and so also we can feel you. So that's the reason we raise our commissions and we created more opportunity, which is way more easy and converting to the sales. So first of all, if you want to be affiliate marketers, you need to go on our website, and this is our website, and you need to click on affiliates, and you can see that previous videos over here already that we talked about precisely. This video is a little bit long, so that video, the current video that we are making and publishing, which is a little bit shorter than this, but not so we'll explain, but it's make you sense why we are raising and how it will work this time. Is there any changes in how you can do the sales? So this is for those previous affiliate marketers who was promoting us, and their hard works, and dedicated to them we raise the commissions. Okay, so here we go. If you want to do the affiliate marketing, you need to do the registrations. After done, you will be into the thank you pages, and after that you will receive a mail, which is already shown over here, so I'm not going to show again. You will receive the thank you page also. How it will looks like you will be see on this video in detail, so I'm not going to show and talk about that. And on the mails you will see your affiliate portal, where you can see in detail how many sales you made, how many people clicks, all this stuff. Also you will receive the affiliate link, and we recommend you to make your affiliate link in the short links, then start promoting. And there are many short linkers. You can use Rebrandly, which is acceptable in all kind of platforms. And after you make a short links, if you send anybody, okay, and how they will see the landing page, how the landing page look like. So the landing page will be like this, which is all in one platforms, and this is for all kind of platforms. Like people spend like over $7,000 in multi apps to cover up their monthly cost. We charge $500, which is way more or less, all in one platforms with AI. So it's a high conversional, and they will pay $500 monthly. So you're gonna get 30% of it, and there is a setup fees with $3,000, and you have to convince your client that this $3,000 is worth it, because the people who's gonna provide them services, it's not easy to find out in Upwork or Fivers. They're highly experienced. They know all over the all kind of platforms, whether you were coming from ClickFunnels, GroupCM, System.io, GoHighLevel, whatever it is. So they can set up your systems into our systems, and they know 10 times better than you how to approach that can do the conversions. So if you share with them, this is my business, that's how it works, they will set up exactly that you're looking for with 10 times better way that you never ever imagined or thought about that. So they're not only expert, they also know how your business gonna work. So they have business ideas. Also, so you can see all kind of information over here. So if your customer see that, the person that you gave the affiliate links, they see that and they submit and make a payments, they will receive a thank you page, which something like this. And in this thank you page, they will see all kind of informations and how they can log in and how they will achieve the password, URLs, all those things, and they get their accounts. And after making an accounts, our team will start working and up and running their systems, website, store, whatever the business they are. Okay, and if they want this kind of services frequently, monthly, as they grow, then they can click on the button. And what's the benefits of it? If they click on the button and purchase the next plan, it will take them into these landing pages. And this page is for grow their business, where you can see one of our customers keep making this amount of money and more invoices is pending. So this kind of quality services, most probably people charge like $6,500. We are charging $1,999, and you are gonna achieve 30% of it, and it's a recurring. So which is way more conversionals if you see how much money others are paying. And even if they go somewhere else and try to negotiate, they will not say, they're not gonna go less than $2,500. So still, it's a win-win for them. So with this, they can achieve a business growth in a 6 or 1 years, or it can be. It doesn't mean, depends on. You are in the right hands. Most probably what happens when you hire virtual assistant as a social media marketers, they do the social media marketers. Different between ours and others. When we do the social media marketings, you get sales. That's the difference between others and ours. So maybe 2 days or 3 days or 5 days or 1 week. But we saw there's many people who hire like high pay social media managers and marketing in their team, but they doesn't get any sales. Okay, they're paying month after month, year after year, but they doesn't get any sales. They get sales from cold callings or email marketings that we also provide. Okay, so this is all included over here, what you're gonna get. And you can see here the plan. If your clients pay the plan, you are gonna get the commissions. So how it gonna work? If I make a registration and share the landing pages, they make a purchase and you get a 30%, and they go to the thank you page, they come another landing page, they pay another payments. Am I gonna need to share this landing page to them? No. If they come through this, even not from this, come over here, then you're obviously gonna get 30%. There's no chance to lose any commissions. So what will happen? This affiliate links is gonna be stay forever with the cookies or non-cookies. So if they even clear cache and cookies, they will stay with you. It's after 3, 5, 4 years later, if they purchase, you're still gonna get the commissions. So there's no way to lose it. So this is really amazing, and this is not gonna let your hard work in wasted. So what's the benefits if they purchase after this? So after purchasing all these things, you are getting $1,650 as the first month, and the next all months you are making $800 recurring, approximately, if I am not missing any mathematic terms. So so I'm not good at math. So if we go with this, and every single month you're making, and after this person purchasing you're getting him as a sub affiliate. So if he or she is a good in sales, it's a golden gem for you. I mean, he's making money by selling 30%, you are making 10%. So everyone is getting like a community, something like beneficial community group that helping each others. Okay, and we have huge team and everything, veteran people who work in this area for a long time. We never compromise with the qualities. If you go with our homepage uh, and check out some of our portfolios, you can see we work with some people who make who are bigger industries and very reputed companies. So we're not something like small things, small stuff. We don't do something like small and silly things. We care about our reputation, so it's highly conversionals. Okay, so there is a high chance to make a sales if you hit the right guy and right people. So how you can make sales, you can know if you go on the affiliates and check the videos. Here all the things are explained very well. Even if you never ever did affiliate marketing, there's a high chance to sell. So but we also gonna show you what we gonna tell. Like, let's say you have money, you want to try affiliate marketings, and you want to go and sell something. So most probably what you are gonna do, you're gonna copy the landing pages. Where's the landing page? Sorry. And you're gonna copy the landing pages of your affiliates and go to the settings, go to the websites and paste over here, and you add your affiliate links over here. Okay, so after pasting all these things and complete the setups, you grab the leads and it will send the mails with the affiliate links. So you might be gonna thinking, what if that send the websites? No, it's not gonna send any website URLs. It's gonna send affiliate links. It will promote that landing pages services and with this affiliate link. So you need no skill, because these entire systems are built by following some experts who made six-figure portfolio for their clients for marketing, by providing marketing and digital marketing services. So they know pretty much well what kind of mail copies and systems and policy we need to follow. That mail will be in inbox. So if you want to know how to set up this all properly, appropriately, you can see on our YouTube playlist how to up and running the leads and the AI apps, and you can do that. Or you can do the traditional way, a little bit slow-mo systems, by avoiding the leads and the AI apps, spending no money, like posting on Pinterest, posting on Quora. I don't think Quora accepts some kind of affiliate links, or Reddit. There are plenty of YouTube videos with different million ideas how to do the affiliate links, affiliate marketings, and generate sales. But those are slow-mo. There's no guarantees. But here you are getting leads. Also, in future, if you get other affiliate marketing products, you can sell to those leads by exporting and importing someone else. So they're high value, high chance, high qualities, and anybody can, whether you are from developing countries or third world countries, you can do the affiliate marketing. So it's quite easy and open for everyone. So have a great day and wish you best of luck, and we believe you will make more sales, and we are happy to give you money and commissions. We have no problems. So stay solid, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye.